Hello everyone. Lose weight if you big. Being big gonna make you lose weight. It's better to lose weight. Don't be like me. Big and can't hardly breathe. Lose weight while you got a chance. And live your life. But God got me. Lose weight. Cause I cannot hardly breathe. And it's hard for me to breathe. I love y'all. I love y'all. I love y'all. Pray for me. I love y'all. If you big, lose weight. Please lose weight. Take my advice. Lose weight while you got the chance. Lose weight. It's not healthy. You got to eat right. You got to walk. Lose weight.